welcome to Lisbon. My name is Giuliana and I'm a journalist based here in the beautiful capital of Portugal. Today I'm taking you to visit some of the best attractions in town. One of the best ways to start your day in Lisbon is by the Bélem Tower, one of the most famous attractions here in the city. It was built in the 16th century as part of a defense system of the Tagus River. It's full of details and engravings, and it's called the Manuelian style. It's one of the most famous architecture styles of the Portuguese. Now we're going for a quick walk alongside the Tagus River to get to our next attraction. And I have to warn you, this is a very atypical day. It's cloudy and a little bit chill. Usually Lisbon is very sunny. This is the Padrão dos Descobrimentos, the monument of the discoveries. It's a tribute to the Portuguese sailors that left Portugal to discover the New World over 500 years ago. It features 32 people that were very important to this period, including the king up there, and it's 56 meters high. Right in front of the monument of the discoveries, you get to see a beautiful windrose and a very vintage map of all the Portuguese discoveries around the world. You get to see from Africa to Brazil and even Macau in China. It's really beautiful. The custard tart is Portugal's favorite pastry, and the original one was created right here at Pastéis de Belem over 150 years ago. And here is a quick tip. You don't have to line up outside. There are tables inside, so you just can come inside and enjoy your custard tart right here on your table. And also don't forget to add some cinnamon on top of it. Very good. Another quick walk and we get here to the Jerónimos Monastery. It's a masterpiece from the 16th century and it's a symbol of the Portuguese power during the age of the discoveries. Alfama is the oldest district here in Lisbon, and the best way to get to know it is by walking its narrow streets, so don't be afraid and get lost. Alfama is also known as the Fado District. Fado is a traditional Portuguese music that's usually about love and about missing someone deeply. There are lots of places to watch a live Fado concert here in Alfama. Those places are called tascas. When in Alfama, make sure you stop to drink ginginha. Ginginha is a typical Portuguese liquor that's made of ginger. It's like a cherry and it's very good. Cheers! And if you have some extra time and a pair of good shoes, make sure you hike up the hill to the St. George Castle. The views are breathtaking and it's worth the effort. This is the Pink Street, the perfect place to start a night out in Lisbon. If you come here after dawn, you can find restaurants, bars, nightclubs. There's really a lot to see here. The Alex Factory is one of the trendiest places in Lisbon. It used to be an abandoned factory complex, but now it's a creative and artistic hub. It holds modern sculptures and inspiring artwork. You can also find here Ler Devagar, one of the coolest bookstores in the country. Livraria Ler Devagar has a large selection of books in several languages. At Alex Factory, you'll also find a huge choice of restaurants, coffee shops, and bars where locals meet up. Cheers! The Panoramic of Monsanto is a little farther away from the other attractions, but it's worth the detour. It has one of Lisbon's best views. The building is full of works of art. This one, for instance, is made by Vils, one of the most important contemporary artists in Portugal. After walking all day, it's time to get something to eat. And here at Mercado da Ribeira, you have lots of options, from fancy restaurants to fast food. Now let's try some codfish, bacalhau, the traditional Portuguese dish. Let's eat. Portuguese say they master over 1,000 ways to cook bacalhau. This one, the plain with vegetables, is one of my favorite. Let's try it. Very good. And it's not complete if you don't try a glass of the authentic Portuguese wine. Cheers. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our time here in Lisbon, and if you want to know more about the city, go to Freetour.com and enjoy a free tour with a local guide.